National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sussex County in southern Delaware, southeastern Kent County and central Delaware until 1:15 p.m. At 12:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Milford to near Bridgetto, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with present and quarter-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include